Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today for you I have nail art tutorial. So this one is using nail foils. So let's begin. I got these nail foils from Beauty Big Bang and I will have it linked in the description box below. And there is so many options you can do nail foils. I'm just going to show you the simplest one, and these always turn out cute. So apply a top coat on the base color of your choice, then pick this nail foil. This is so thin. These nail foils are so thin and they look so perfect when you apply them. It's like you're putting on some gems on your nails. I don't know how to explain it. And also to me it reminds me of marble, like marble stone. So I like everything that's marble design. So these nails are my cup of tea for sure, and I really hope you guys like it as well. This is pretty simple to apply. I like to use my finger because it gives you better push onto the nail, so it doesn't go anywhere. And you always have to apply some top coat or anything to make your nails tacky, and then apply the foil, and just like I'm showing you in the video, and you will see results are beautiful. And you don't need any special skills or anything like that. You can go so many variations when it comes to nail foils. I'm just showing you the simplest one, and I really loved results. I got so many questions and compliments with these nails, so I just wanted to film it for you guys, and I personally love them. Then once you're done, you just want to top it off with a top coat. I love this. This design is so pretty. It's so easy to do. Anyone can do it. You can do it on short or long nails, it doesn't really matter. You can get so many different variations because in these nail foils you get so many different ones, and I just decided to use the silver one. I absolutely love them. I mean, I cannot even explain how much I love them because this is so simple to do and anyone can do it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in comments. I want to hear your feedback, and I will talk with you in my next video. Bye!